Hi, I'm Gulshan Upneja. Today I'm going to show you the complete process of car paint protection film, and we have Mr. Mavneet Singh with us, who have got 5 years of car detailing experience. Imagine dog scratches all over your car overnight. It feels pain, great pain boss, but you can avoid it and you can get it protected. So today we're going to shed more light on what is PPF, why Solitaire PPF, what kind of variants we have, which variant to choose from, and the price comparison. Paint protection film was originally innovated for army operations, but now it is one of the most loved and applied products on cars across the globe. It certainly protects the car's paint from bird droppings, light scratches, stone chipping, graffiti, car wash swirls, etc. Solitaire PPF is a TPU-based German product. It comes with 160 to 180 micron layers, fantastic stretchability, complete self-healing properties, super glossy, and comes with 5 years warranty. What more you could ask for? Even if you peel it off after 5 years, the paint remains the same. Our R&D team applied PPF on more than 100 cars in the last 1.5 years before incorporating this PPF model into the franchisee network. So it's a tried and tested product.